Today, we are going to install the T125-W into the RM-WG-T10 from Rackmount.IT. The T125, T145, and T145-W are also compatible with this rack mount kit. Let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch rack mount kit, 6 Cat6 cables, 1 USB cable, 8 bolts, 3 zip ties, and 2 Velcro straps. Optionally, you can connect SMA cables at the front. To do so, remove the pre-cut sections using a screwdriver and a hammer. SMA cables are not included. Place the rack brackets against the appliance and align the front. Secure the appliance using the 8 bolts. Optionally, you can place a power supply on the rack. To install the power supply, put 2 zip ties through the designated holes. Place the power supply between the zip ties and tighten firmly. Connect the power supply to the appliance. Secure the excess length of the power cable with 1 zip tie. Connect the appliance to the keystones using the supplied cables. Bundle the cables with the Velcro straps. You are done installing the appliance into the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. Place your WATCHGUARD rack mount in your 19-inch cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us online, Rackmount.IT.